Hello YouTube. Well, I'm doing I don't know, just trim RC car. It's a 18R Rally Team Associated car. Yeah, I bought it new off eBay for 135. That was sale price. Right now it's for 150 something. Team Associated. There's a controller. I didn't change it yet. I need to get a 2.4 gig system. Right now I have a 27 megahertz. This is Electrix receiver. Yep. This is the first motor that I bought for it. It's a Tacon 5200 kV. This motor sucks. It doesn't do any. I mean, it barely moves the car. It's just too small. 2-cell LiPo, 1500 milliamp. Nickel miner. Get it. 25 amp ESC brushless. It's a hubby wing brushless. 6600 kV motor. Megatech. Like, look at the motor difference. I don't know if you can tell. This motor is way bigger than that one. Well, this is way bigger. It's heavier too. Everything is stock except the electronic stuff. Except the receiver. I need to change the receiver. This receiver sucks. The shocks, I moved the shocks from the natural part. They were right here before, and it always bottom out. So I put the shocks in the body clip part right here, so it doesn't bottom out. Like, see, it doesn't bottom out. Same thing in the back. Did the servo mod so it doesn't turn that much. Put a pin, like a flexible iron thing over it too. Tomato plug. Right now it does about 45, almost 48 miles per hour. I'm gonna show a video of it running. It's pretty fast, quick. Yeah, in some rally videos. Yeah, I'm gonna put up some rally videos. Well, this is my first video, and yeah, hope you enjoy.